friends, Running Kimono here. So, we are back at Walgreens and we are doing a curbside deal for the Kingsford Original Charcoal Briquettes, and it is actual coal for your grill. So they are $3.60. At most stores for these 8-pound bags, it's like $8 or more. So this is like 50% off, and there's some really good value. We are getting close to summertime and the grilling season. So if this is something of interest for you, definitely put in an order ASAP. They're probably going to pull this soon. So again, as said, we are going to be doing this as a curbside pickup, meaning you're going to order this through your cell phone, laptop, desktop computer, tablet, whatever. You're going to hit the button on the left-hand side and opt to pick this up in store. If you try to buy this in store, it's going to be full price. So this is a curbside price only. So in the app, you're going to throw 3 of them into your cart for $10.80. And then in the promotion and coupon codes, that little box, type in the code GET10, exactly as pictured there, because we have a little bit more savings. Here's our basket, guys, $10.80. Get 10 took $1.08 off. We have a little bit of Michigan tax there. The new total is $10.30. I would roll $10 in Walgreens cash and pay 30 cents and have 3 really nice bags of coal for the grilling season. Now, just to show you guys, is this a good deal? Is this not a good deal? For funsies, I went over to the Walmart app and typed in the exact same bag of coal, or charcoal, pardon me. If it was a bag of coal for that price, probably worth a lot more money. It is $7.92, so you can see the value right there. Before I take off, I know a lot of you like these little story times. If you don't like the story time, just go and order your charcoal and we'll catch you tomorrow. During a clearance event a couple years back, I don't know if I was out clearance shopping so early in the morning or my brain wasn't working properly, but I found a bunch of grilling charcoal, and I went and grabbed like 10 bags, threw it in the cart. I didn't even ask my husband. I just thought, oh, well, we use this because we grill a lot of food at our house. And when I brought it home, I think my husband was out of town, and when he came back and he's like, you know that we have a propane barbecue, right? And I didn't know. I thought I was doing a really good thing. And I'm like, oh, this is a great little coupon deal and so on and so forth. But yeah, he really enjoyed that delicious moment telling me that I grabbed something that, honestly, you probably could even use this if you camp a lot and you just put it over your fire, because a lot of people like to cook over charcoal. But my husband loved that delicious moment where I was just absolutely stupid and had no idea. But yeah, that really happened to me. So I didn't obviously do this deal because we actually are using a pellet grill now. So I don't believe you can use this. But if we camped a lot, I definitely would grab a couple bags, because you probably could put this over your fire or get a little cheapy grill if you went out camping somewhere, or even like a parks or something like that. You could use these to grill out at many of the different parks. I know they have that a lot in Canada and up here in Michigan. Okay, that's it of me babbling. I hope you guys score, and I'm not sure how long this is going to be out there, this deal, and your stores might get cleared really quickly, because when charcoal is this cheap, people are going to just really stock up. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.